and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 12, verse 6 to 9. And Abram passed through the land of the into the land of Shephen, and the plains of Moreh, and the Canaanite was then in the land. And the Lord appeared unto Abram and said, Unto thy seed I will give this land, and there builded he an altar unto the Lord, who appeared unto him. And he removed from thence unto a mountain on the east of Bethel, in which he stand, having Bethel on the west, and high on the east. And there he builded an altar unto the Lord, and called upon the name of the Lord. And Abram journeyed, going on still toward the south. So that's it. That the Lord already reprimand and told his promises to Abram for the second time around. He promised Abram that the land of Canaan and the promised land will the land where he and his descendants will dwell. Despite the fact that the land of Canaan is filled with is the dwelling place of the Canaanites, but God allow Abram and his descendants to be a conqueror, and that's it. They dwell in that land.